In this video, we're going to show you how to fix if your mic is not working or you're having audio issues on Counter-Strike 2. All right, so the first thing you need to do is click on the Windows home button here and then go to Device Manager. Very easy. Click on Device Manager, right? And then look for, where is it? It's the audio drivers. So that audio input, there you go. And check one by one, scan for hardware first, and then check one by one if the updates are up to date, if the drivers are up to date, right? So since we're okay with this, so this I'm just showing you. So this is the first step. The second step is, again, go click on the Windows home button and then go to settings. And in settings, you need to go to Bluetooth and devices. And then devices. And then you're going to go to audio, right? Three, two, one. And then you're going to go all the way down to sound. And you're going to see here your output and your input devices. Make sure that your your microphone that you're using is your input device. As you can see, I haven't activated Windows 10, but if this is an active Windows 11, I could choose the microphone that I'm using. So these are the two ways you can do it. And then, of course, you got to check your CS2 game too in the settings. So yeah, these are the two steps you need to do. Check if your mic or your audio can be fixed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.